Alright people, we've got another one. I hope you're doing well out there, by the way.
Guys, this is how you descale your machine by pushing the pipe into the milk tank area instead of the milk tank. The pipe there is provided, by the way. You find it here in this compartment. Alright, this is located here. You need to descale your coffee machine here and there. Anyway, he'll show you. Once you see the orange light, like so, you will squeeze the lighting. Alright, so all this is for your descaling. Once you have anything like this, it means you have to descale your coffee machine. Orange light will be somewhere here or there. Anywhere that you see an orange light, it means it's descaling time. Okay, so that's how you descale your machine. All right, if not, the best thing for you to do is to refer to the manual as usual. Other than that, thanks for watching, and we shall surely see you on the next one. Make sure to thumbs up the video, like the video, share the video if it's any useful to you. We love you all here, and we love your support. Peace out. Let's do it and do it. Bang, bang, bang.